How everyone is waiting for the neat instructions. It will start soon. Hi everyone, welcome to PK Maths channel live. So many students have a confusion about NEET examination, so that's why I want to give the complete instructions as well as tips and tricks. In this video, it's a live video. If anybody having any doubt regarding NEET examination tomorrow, you can feel free to ask in the comment box. This session is at least 15 to 20 minutes. If anybody having any doubt regarding NEET examination, you can interact with me. The first of all, I will give the complete instructions what you need to follow for tomorrow's NEET examination. NEET examination 2023 conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. Like every year, they are conducting in different places all over India. It's a purely offline examination. You need to go to the examination center and you can write the examination. So what are the things you need to take for writing the NEET examination that I can say? So first thing is you can download the admission ticket. Admission ticket contains 3 pages. So page number 1 you complete your information. Page number 2 you have postcard size photo you need to paste. So there so many people have a confusion. So which photo you uploaded, you can paste that photo. That means that person photo. That means your photo. Okay, suppose you uploaded in NEET examination, NEET while applying the application, you kept a blue color shirt photo. Now if you want, you can upload white color photo shirt also, no problem, because face is important, your photo. What they mention means your photo, okay. What you uploaded, same photo means your photo, the same face, same person photo, okay. Postcard size photo, compulsory you can paste there, okay. And second thing is very important, instructions. You need to read these instructions. They are already given, but some of the students, you didn't follow the instructions very carefully. Listen. Point number 1, what the candidate must reach the center in time indicated against the reporting time. Suppose 2 o'clock to 5:20 is the examination time for all the NEET students. You can reach the examination center by 11:30 or 12. They said 11:30 means you can go by 11:30. They said 12 means you can go by 12. Exactly what they given. Recently, so many students in the JEE examination, because of one single minute, they lose the exam. So they can follow the strict rules. Why they are asking to come little early, 2 hours early means they will check your, that means according to the instruction they will follow. They will check your admission ticket, you need to check your room number, places, everything. So what they mentioned in the examination, in the admission ticket particularly, reporting time, what they mentioned exactly at that time only you can go, because of NEET exam, so many people are coming to particular center, parents also coming, traffic jam will happen. So that's why they will say always 2 hours or 3 hours early, you can go that time only. And they will not allow inside the examination before in time, because after the reporting time, you cannot go inside. There is no candidate shall be permitted to the center after the gate closing. Gate closing is purely depending on the center. In the center, whoever in charge will be there, according to him only gate will close. Once gate will close, no one can allow inside the examination hall. It is strictly covered, not examination hall, inside the college. Remember, NEET examination, they will close the gate. The gate means not to close the door of room outside the college gate. Once they will close the gate, they will not open. Remember, okay. So you can come according to reporting time, 2 hours or 1.5 hours, what they given reported time before, that time only you can reach. Compulsory. Because if rainy season, if rain came also, you can take one umbrella compulsory with you. So you can go, you cannot go with the wet cloth, they will not allow. Remember this point, very important. If it is rainy, you can take one pair of extra dress is best. Okay. And next point, no candidate shall be permitted to leave the examination room before the end of exam. This is very, very important. They will follow in the NEET examination. Suppose 3 hours 20 minutes examination. If you want to for 2 to 5 o'clock exam, 2 to 5:20. If you want to go finish by 4:30, if you want to go, means not allowed. Up to 5:20, you can stay inside the classroom only until they can take the OMR sheet. Point number 4, on completion of the examination, please wait for instructions from invigilator and do not get up from your seat until advised. The candidate will be permitted to move out one at a time only. Okay, this is also very important. After giving the OMR sheet, it's a habit in your colleges and schools. You are wake up and you are going going to home. Don't go until the invigilator will announce, because sometimes in the application form, in any mistake happen, like date of birth or like the name initial, they will take one letter. This particular student name not properly entered in the application form, like that. So they will give some instructions. So please wait until the invigilators say to go out of the classroom. Point number 5, all the candidates are required to download the carefully read the instructions given in the admit card and strictly follow this. Now I am reading all the instructions. You can listen. If any confusion is there, once again you read. If any doubt still is there, comment box, you can comment. Okay. This admit card consists of 3 pages. Page number 1, center details and self-declaration. Page 2, postcard size photograph. Page 3, important instructions for candidate. Everyone, you should carry these 3 instructions page while going to the examination hall, compulsory. The candidates to download all 3 pages. The admit card is provisional, subject to satisfying the eligibility conditions as given in the information bulletin. Okay. So candidates, what is the provisional mean? This is not final. If any changes like name or date of birth is there, they will do it. Don't worry. Okay. Candidates are advised to verify the location of the examination venue a day in advance, so they do not face any problem on the examination day. If students who are in Bangalore, Tumkur or any other places in the Karnataka or any place in India, no problem. If you are local place means you are aware means no problem. Otherwise, once again you go and visit today itself the examination center. Okay. No, if religion custom require you to wear specific address, please visit the center early for the through checking. So if you want to wear mask or something, if it is required, you already mentioned in the admission while taking the application form, you can go little early to the examination and you can meet the examination chief before itself. Okay. Point number 10. No candidate would be allowed to enter the examination center without admit card, valid ID proof and proper frisking. Frisking through handheld metal detector will be carried out without physical touch. Okay, this is very, very important. You cannot carry any metal detectors or metal things, anything. So second one is you can wear the whatever they already mentioned. I will say which dress you need to. No candidate will be allowed to enter the examination without admit card. Admit card is compulsory. Along with this, you can take your Aadhaar card, any original, valid ID proof. ID proof is nothing but Aadhaar card. You can take it. Some people have Aadhaar card name. This name is different. Also, no problem. You can take it. Okay. Candidates will be permitted to carry only the following items when into the examination venue. Number 1, personal transparent water bottle. Personal transparent water bottle you can take. Additional photograph same as uploaded on application form to be pasted at attendance sheet. Additional photograph means normal small size photograph or the passport size photo. Same means your photo. Same what you uploaded in the application form is same person photo. Okay, don't think that the same photo. Same photo sometimes it's not possible. It is not with you. No problem. You can go to the photo studio, take one postcard size photo and 3 or 4 normal photos. Because one photo we need to paste in this attendance sheet. In the examination attendance sheet is there. In that you need to paste it. So additional photograph also required. Personal hand sanitizer if required. Admit card along with self-declaration having postcarded photograph affixed. So whatever 3 pages are there, that one. Before reaching the center, the candidate must enter the required details in the undertaking in eligible handwriting. PWD certificate, subscribe related documents. If it is required, you can take the PWD certificate. Okay. Candidates should put their signature and paste the photograph at the appropriate place. They should ensure that the left hand thumb impression is clear and not smudged. So left hand thumb you can make it too clear. No dots, nothing should be allowed inside the examination. You can keep it clear. Okay. Candidate must carry any one of the original and valid photo identification proof issued by the government. PAN card, driving license, voter ID, 12th class board admit or registration card. That means you are 12th class, second PU passed, admission ticket is also there, that is also allowed. Okay. Or Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card, that one not required. Any one is enough. E-Aadhaar, ration card, Aadhaar card, sir, you are staying in hostel, Aadhaar card is in home. How? Download E-Aadhaar. Okay, that is also possible. Ration card, Aadhaar enrollment number with photo. All other ID, photocopies of the ID, even attested, scanned photo ID, mobile phone will not be allowed. So attested copies is not allowed. Okay. The PWD certificate must bring PWD certificate. PWD students, anyone is there, you can bring PWD certificate. Candidates are not allowed to carry any personal belongings, including electronic devices, mobile phones, and other banned and prohibited items listed in the information bulletin to the examination center. Examination officials will not be responsible for the safekeep of personal belongings, and there will be no uses the facility of scribe or not. That means girls, earrings, nose rings, eyes rings, okay, beard rings not allowed. Even bangles not allowed. Even like this threads not allowed, chains not allowed. Okay, neck chains, gold, silver, normal threads also not allowed. Remember, watches are not allowed, mobile phones are not allowed, including the hair bands. Girls, hair bands, only black color normal hair band enough. No clips are not allowed. Remember this point, very, very important. Hair clips are not allowed. You need to throw outside. Okay. In home only, make it your hair very clear. Take one ribbon, normal black color small ribbon, tight it and go. Okay, don't, in the examination they want to remove means your hair will come like this. Okay, you are not like an examination student, you are like a devil. Okay, in the examination hall. So, and if you are writing examination, the hair will disturb you. So, keep it safe in your home itself. Okay, next, you cannot wear full hands, 3/4, no, only half like this. Okay, half, even boys, even girls also. Okay, jeans pant, tight pants not allowed, tight pants not at all allowed. Okay, candidates are not allowed to carry any outshirts, not allowed, sweaters not allowed, everything, even scarves also not allowed. Candidates not allowed to carry personal belongings. Candidates are advised to follow dress code. Shoes, footwear with thick soles and garments with large buttons are not permitted. Boys' shoes also not allowed. You can go with the normal chappals. That is very, even girls and boys. Okay. Blank paper sheets for rough work will not be provided in the examination hall and room. Rough work is to be done in the space provided for this purpose in the test booklet only. In the question paper, they will mention space for rough work. Only in that space for rough work only you can do the rough work. You cannot take any papers. They will not provide any papers. Don't wait for that. No candidate, a duly filled admit card at the end of the examination must be handed over to the invigilator. Failure to do so many results on non-evaluation of your answer. ನೀವು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿರೋ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡು, ದಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗಿವ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಟು ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 admit cards with you. One keep it in safe home. One you can take to your examination hall. They will take it to you. They won't give it back. Understand? That compulsory you need to give and come, because otherwise they won't do evaluation of your admit answer script. No candidate should adopt any unfair means or indulge in any unfair examination practices at the examination center or under surveillance of CCTV and equipped with jammers. Okay, you cannot carry any type of electronic equipments, that they are saying. On completion of test, the candidate must hand over the OMR sheet, both original and office copy. In the OMR sheet, 2 are there. One is original and one is office copy will be there. Both you need to hand over to the invigilator and admit card to the invigilator and take away only the test booklet with them. Test booklet ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆವಾಗ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ಸರ್, ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಫೋಟೋ? ನೋ, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ. ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಫೋಟೋ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಲ್ಲೇ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. CCTV. Candidates are advised to check updates of the NTA website regularly. You should check their mailbox on the email address, SMS, the register, mobile number, latest updates and information. For any clarification, you can call. Now you can ask, dear students, if any confusion, any doubts are there, please ask your doubts. I can clarify. And very important, so I will finish and I will say tips and tricks to examination. In the examination, what you can do? What about pens, sir? Pens, you can carry one single pen. Sometimes they will allow, sometimes they will not allow. Then if they will not allow, you can throw in the outside and you can go inside. That's best option. Okay. One pen, one pencil, one eraser, you can take it with you. If they will allow, allow. If they will not allow, throw. Pouches not allowed. You cannot carry anything except these 3 sheets and one original copy of your valid ID card. You cannot carry anything. Water bottle, if required, you can take. Otherwise, not required. Okay. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Pen or pencil eraser, you can take it. If they will allow, okay. If they will not allow, you can throw outside the examination, you can go inside. Clear? Who are following this particular, please respond. Yes sir, thank you sir, understood sir, no doubt sir, like that, and use like symbol if you this video is useful. Then I will go to tips and tricks for the examination. In examination, how to score 500 plus in the NEET examination. Okay, I will say small hints, no doubt, very good. Any other doubts, any comments please? Dear student, now I will come back to the tips and tricks. So, as NEET examination, dear students, you know that the negative examination, negative marking is there. So, in NEET examination, which subject first you need to attend? Everybody knows that it is biology. If you first start reading the biology questions, if you know answer, you can take mark. If you have doubt, you leave it and go to the next question. Don't wait for a question more than marks distribution will be there. Marks distribution will be biology, chemistry, physics, like that. So first biology you can attend. So out of 90 questions in biology, you are able to solve 60 questions are moderate questions. So, 30 questions are moderate, 30 questions are easy, 30 questions are little difficult. Like that they will frame. So 60 questions you can able to answer very nicely within 25 to 30 minutes, 100%. So remaining 30 questions, if you doubt, you leave it and go to the chemistry. In chemistry also, out of 45 questions, they will do 15 questions easy, 15 questions moderate, 15 questions little tough. So out of 45 questions, you are able to answer 30 questions within 1 hour of 45 minutes. Okay. Then half an hour plus 45 minutes, already 1 hour 15 minutes over. In physics, if you go, physics also they will do 15 easy, 15 moderate, 15 difficult. So you can answer at least 25 to 30 questions within 1 hour in physics. So 2 hours 15 minutes over. You can come back again to biology. In the 15 minutes, whatever questions you have doubt, again in 30 questions you can answer either 10 or 15. So around 75 to 80 questions you reach in biology. Then remaining half an hour, 15 minutes you can spend for the chemistry. Out of 15 questions, you are able to solve 5 to 6 questions. Then automatically what will happen, nearly 40 questions, 35 to 40 questions in between you solve in chemistry. If time permits, the remaining 15 minutes, you can spend time physics. If you know answer, you can keep it, otherwise you leave it. Because my suggestion to everybody, instead of already losing the marks, you can gain the marks by not answering the questions much. Okay. If you know the answer, you can mark it, otherwise you leave it. Because unnecessarily, 5 questions you know, 5 4s are 20. Remaining 5 you don't know. Even though you attempt, what will happen? 20 minus 5, you will get only 15 marks. You are losing the marks unnecessarily. So for that, as a negative examination NEET, you can balance the time and balance the marks as well as balance the particular questions. Okay. Anyway, 3 hours 20 minutes is that. The very important is the last extra questions. Sir, extra questions, if I want to attempt all possible means no. So whatever required is there, only thus many questions you can attend. Okay. If you attend all the 10 questions, they will consider only first 6 questions only. So that don't attempt all the 10. Which questions you already know, only those questions, required questions only, you can attempt. Clear? So this is all about the instructions and tips and tricks for NEET examination 2023. If any students have any doubts in, still any confusion in the NEET examination, in the comment box, you can comment it or WhatsApp me. Any doubts are there, I will clarify. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best for all the students who are writing the NEET examination 2023 in India. We wish the future doctors, welcome to doctors. Welcome. I welcome it, doctor itself, because you are the future doctors for India. I wish you all the best once again for the students. Thank you very much for watching PK Maths channel. Your PK sir signing off.